Welcome to Nice and EV. My name's John. So just a quick video today. I happen to be in Basingstoke and I'm at the back of the Apollo Hotel, and as you can clearly see here, there are 8 Tesla V4 Superchargers that have been installed, and it doesn't look long before they will be open to the public. I haven't actually seen any publicised dates of when they're due to open, but if you look on the Tesla supercharging map on the web, you can see they are showing as coming soon or under construction. As these are the Tesla V4 Superchargers, that's great news because these come with the longer cables, and predominantly these sites are open to non-Teslas as well as Teslas. And location-wise, this could be really useful for anyone travelling around Basingstoke, also the M3 corridor and across Hampshire. So if you're local to the area, please let me know in the comments, have you seen anything about this site and do you know when it's due to go live? Also, if you do like this sort of content, then please feel free to subscribe to Nice and EV for more real-world UK EV updates, and hopefully I'll come back to this site once these chargers are up and running. Until next time, catch you later.